All right, this is the evolution of the design. So this is my first one. This is my second one. I made this lip here so that the holding nut would fit tightly into there. My third version is more like the original one, which is the sense that I strengthened these tabs because I found out they were a little too soft. They were not rigid enough, so now they're much more rigid, which is good. And I have the lip on the bottom for the nut. If you look at the original one was like that too. These tabs came out much stiffer. So here it is. This is the nut held into the piece. Strengthened tabs. It's good. I'm gonna go test it out right now, but I believe it's gonna work.